Hi there, welcome to EFT's Ready Recipes. I'm Ray, the nutritionist at EFT. Today, Arthur has a friend over for tea. It's Friday, so I thought perfect day to make some fish fingers and chips. So let's have a look. We need to get the chips in first. They take the longest, so we're just cutting the potatoes up. So you want 4 or 5 nice floury potatoes. So we're talking Maris Piper, King Edward, Desiree. And what I do is I'm in centimetre squares. So I just take a centimetre slice off the bottom of the potato and then slice the rest of the potato into centimetre slices. And then cut those into chips. You want your oven on 200 degrees centigrade, 180 for a fan oven, or gas mark 6. You can peel your potatoes or you can leave the skins on for a bit of extra fibre. And then you want to just take a clean tea towel or some kitchen roll and try and take some of the moisture off those potatoes. Right, when they're nice and dry, put them in a nice large baking tin, spread them out. And you want a few tablespoons of oil. You can use vegetable oil, rapeseed oil, or olive oil. Just going to rub that oil all over. And add a nice pinch of salt and get those in the oven. So those will take about 45-50 minutes to cook. In the meantime, we can get on with the fish. Right, and for the fish fingers, I have taken the skin off the cod. I had, I think it was 540 grams of cod fillet. So yeah, I've taken the skin off, chopped that into sort of 2 centimetre strips. Might be all different sizes, but you want to get yourself a bit of a production line going here because you're going to get quite messy hands. So I've got flour first, we're going to dip it in there. And then, oh sorry, I have patted the fish down with some kitchen roll as well, so it's not too wet. So first in the flour, coat that, shake it off, then into the egg, and then into the breadcrumbs. Get nice and crunchy. All right, once you've got all those coated, or like me, you've run out of room on your baking tray, we'll get those in the oven. Just going to pull the chips out and give them a turn as well. So my fish fingers have been in for 10 minutes. I'm just going to have a little turn of those. Make sure they're evenly cooked. So we're told we should eat fish twice a week and that one of those portions should be oily fish, or fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and those type. This is because of all the health benefits of eating fish. It's associated with a much healthier diet, or people who have less health implications. So lower heart disease, and it's better for brain function. So it really does support your body in a lot of ways. There's a lot of B vitamins in fish, which help you metabolise your food and get energy from that. And also it's full of protein for repair, muscle building and repair. Right, I'm going to get some peas on. The boys probably won't want minted peas, but I certainly do. That'll be lovely. So I'm just going to pop a bit of butter in with them and a nice bit of mint and give those a mash with a potato masher. Okay, we're going to do our mushy peas. I'm going to put some apple cider vinegar in there. I have got the raw, unfiltered, unpasteurised, organic apple cider vinegar. There's lots of stuff on the internet at the moment about apple cider vinegar. And I will just say not all of it is necessarily proved in humans. A lot of it has been taken from animal studies. I'm going to put a knob of butter in there too. One thing that has been shown in humans in several small-scale studies is with type 2 diabetes, and it's shown promising results in there to decrease blood sugar levels, like quite significantly, and increase insulin sensitivity, which of course is very beneficial to anyone with type 2 diabetes. Right, so we're just going to mush those peas up, the potato masher. I've finely chopped some fresh mint. So I cooked up 300 grams of garden peas. Add a tablespoon or so of chopped fresh mint. Add that in. And I like mine a little bit creamy. I've got some Greek yogurt there, plain, any plain yogurt or creme fraiche, sour cream, even a bit of cream cheese if that's what you've got in the fridge. A little pinch of salt and pepper to taste. There we go, mushy peas. So that is your fish fingers, mushy peas or minted mushy peas and homemade chips. I hope you enjoy them. If you do, let us know. Let us know if you add anything, change anything. If there's anything else you need to know, just contact me at RAEE, that's RAEE, at educationfuturestrust.org. It's RAEE at educationfuturestrust.org. Hi, so we've just eaten our fish fingers and chips. I just wanted to say I've never made fish fingers and chips. Well, I made chips before. I've never made homemade fish fingers before. And we absolutely loved them. Went down a real treat with the boys. Definitely Arthur approved.